Now we'll study cyclohexane. The most stable form is chair form. No flag pole interaction, no angle strain. It is a staggered form, and 1-3 interactions are possible. In the board form, it is a Eclipse form. In the twist board form, 1-4 interactions are present. Half chair are highly unstable because of different angles. The order of stability is the most stable is chair, then twist board, then board, and the most unstable is half chair. During flipping, no bond breaking, so no change of conformation. Alternate carbon in same plane. Here, this is 1,3-di interaction in the chair form. This is axial. These are equatorial. Below the plane, no interaction. Above the plane, these are above the plane. 6 axial bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 axial and 6 equatorial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Equatorial alternate and opposite bonds. Equatorial bond never show interaction. During ring flipping, what occurs is the axial bond become equatorial, and the equatorial bond become axial, and it is shifted one position. These groups, and the ring shape also is changed during the ring flipping. For example, this is the question. The ring flipping, 4 options are given. The correct one is this, because the positions are shifted by one position, and the axial has become equatorial has become axial, and the axial has become equatorial. Now, for these 2 points, it is difficult to give the RS position, RS configuration. So the ring is first flipped so that we can solve RS of this position. At this position, it is easy to solve RS. This group is above the plane, this is below the plane. Stability: if the repulsive interaction is present, then bulky group should be placed at equatorial position. If 3 bulky groups, then most bulky group should be put at equatorial, and rest are changed accordingly. Example: this molecule, most bulky group is this is placed at equatorial, since this group and this group are cis, so this is 1,3 cis. So 1,3 cis are equatorial and equatorial. 1,4 are trans, so 1,4 are trans, so it is equatorial, and this is also equatorial. Now this is aldehyde. Aldehydes HNMR gives 9 to 10 values, and acid HNMR values is 10 from 12. C13 NMR value of aldehyde is 200 to 240, and for acid is 180 to 200. The NMR for carbon 12 at room temperature is 1.43 plus 0.20 gives 1.63 for equatorial, and for at low temperature minus 80 degrees Celsius, the atoms freeze, the molecule freeze, and the axial gives 1.43 minus 0.20, that is 1.23. For the cyclohexane, 1-2 cis position are possible when it is axial or equatorial axial, and 1-2 trans are possible when both are axial and or equatorial. For example, in this it is cis, 1-2 position cis, because this is axial, this is equatorial. For 1,3 cis, both should be equatorial or axial. For 1,3 trans, it must be one must be equatorial, another axial. And 1,4 cis and 1,4 trans are same as 1,2 cis and 1,2 trans. For this is 1,3 position, this is axial, so that is cis.